Hi, I am Matteo Schilirò. I am an architect and industrial designer. I am also the designer of a new path-breaking opera professional coffee machine. I am happy and honored to receive the trust of the Sanremo company, but I have knowledge that this amazing project could have not been possible without outstanding skills and support of an exceptional team led by Carlo de Sordi. This machine is the final step of multi-year development. Was started to introduce two game changer in the traditional market. The work done and the extraordinary contribution of all the people at Sanremo have translated it into something never seen before. It was a dream. Sometimes looked like a dream, but through hard work and perseverance, we have created something never seen before. I want to do a special thanks to opera team, to Sasa Sestic, David Wilson, Andrew Tucker, the mythic John Gordon, to the big band, Ben Stephen, to my personal cappuccinos master, Torpong Tantraporn, Danilo LLopis, Serif Basaran from Turkey, and of course to Federico and Carlo de Sordi. Opera is a true revolution in the market, and I'm proud to be part of this incredible team. Thank you, bye.